Yes, my friends, we are in the summer season. Absolutely, if I talk about summer season, segment all the varieties where you can see here's a set of set. The manufacturers are giving you the production. Every set you can deal with only color charts. The varieties where you can see the golden color. You have a stone work pattern which is a gap borders. You have a creamy color which is tissue silk. You have in this concepts you have a golden stone work with a fancy thread tassel. Every pattern when we talk about the trending, the market is expecting and the generation and the people are expecting everything new colors. So the summer always makes us to feel and carry lightweight comfortable sarees. Either it is saree or it is a chudidar, anything one piece, we expect it should be a comfortable and it should be a cotton. But today I am going to show you the varieties from the Rapia segment. The Rapia segment which is fast moving all over the world and even in the south pattern, the south moving collections. If I talk about the Rapia segment, this is a segment all the varieties where you can see here's a set of set. The manufacturers are giving you the production. Every set you can deal with only color charts, and saree it will come about the 630 meters and without blouse. When you purchase a saree from the manufacturers, you have to see the concept of 630 meters with saree without blouse, 5 meters which goes in the running pattern of Poonam sarees, printed sarees. When we come to cotton sarees and the Rapia silk and the silk segment, always the priority is 630 meters the saree comes. Hope you understand. The concept is today I am going to show you all the varieties from the Rapia segment. Tissue silk which is lightweight and comfortable. The sarees which are around 400 to 450 and the highest price is 1000 to 1100 rupees. Channel, please subscribe the channel. There's a bell icon, just click it and share the link with everyone, and you can quickly take your mobile and you can do online shopping, and the Kesaria is giving you the benefit is minimum 20 to 25,000 you can do online purchase with COD options. Pan India is there available. So let's see the samples over here. The varieties where you can see the golden color. You have a stone work pattern which is a gap borders. You have a creamy color which is tissue silk. You have in this concepts you have a golden stone work with a fancy thread tassel. You have these beautiful lovely pattern. If I talk about the next pattern, you have a grey color finishing with the silver stone with the laria base. Beautiful lovely pattern with the gap borders. You can see over here these kind of varieties. This is also one of the pattern. So all these kind of collections you can purchase, and even we do have a multicolor, multi-design floral. You do have these pattern. See, when I talk about these are the trending pattern of the floral printed. You have the magenta color, you have the cream color with the golden gap borders. Every pattern when we talk about the trending, the market is expecting and the generation and the people are expecting everything new colors. So you also keep update in your business to related to your customers. You can have all these kind of varieties. When I can talk about the settle color, these are the settle color, the combination, the beads, the stone beads has been placed, and you can see the bold stonework which has placed over here. This is also one of the pattern. All the sarees having a very pretty and very light color combination. Even we do have a beige green in the checks pattern with a bold border. You have a matte look. This is also butta work, and this is the pattern of these collections with the gap borders. This is also one of the pattern. And if I talk about the next color, you have a peach pink with Mahalakshmi border. You have a bold border and with the red color combination with the peach pink. This is also one of the pattern. Next pattern which is a lavender color which goes with the mini gap borders, and this is a matte Rama green color. The combination is exactly with the south pattern. You have a butta work. All these exclusive tissue silk varieties are. This is also one of the concept exclusive collections. And here the bunches of collections you can see over here. These are all the samples. When customers come here for the visit, they see all the samples in the range wise, and they choose the pattern and they choose the price category also. In those category, the sales executive will show the samples. My friends, when you are into a business or when you are doing a business purchase, ensure your location and the variety, what kind of taste people are expecting, and do based on that business, I can say. Hope you understood and hope you have liked these tissue silk varieties. Before getting out of stock, please place an order. I have not shared exact prices over over here. To know the actual prices, take a screenshot. Numbers are scrolling on the screen. There are executives, English executives are there to support you, to give an information. And please follow the social media pages and share the link with everyone, so they also can reach to the right manufacturers and the benefits. Visit, purchase, online purchase and communication, transport, shipping, safe, security, all these conclusions include in one right manufacturers. So next video we'll meet. Keep supporting me. Don't forget to share your name and city. And next, until then, take care. Bye-bye.